Okay, to sum up my project, um, so essentially what I did was I filmed myself shooting basketball. Um, I then, well, as I was shooting, I would vary my release angle. So on some shots I would have more arc, on some shots I would have less arc. And I took that video and broke it up into individual clips on my computer. Um, each clip was of a different shot. I then took those clips and analyzed them in Logger Pro, which is a computer program. Um, and Logger Pro, in turn, gave me data based on my shot. I was able to trace the flight of the ball through the air um, at certain points in time, and find the x and y coordinates at a certain point in time, and the x and y coordinates of position, and the x and y coordinates of velocity at a certain point in time. And from these data points, I was able to look at the projectile motion of the ball as it moves through the air. I was able to look at energy conservation, kinetic energy, and potential energy. And then the final aspect of my presentation was looking at, I analyzed different release angles. So on some angles I would have a very flat shot. I would release the ball at an angle of like 20 degrees, and the ball would be very flat. And then I would gradually increase the angle to a maximum angle of about 45 degrees. What I was looking for was why a greater angle yields a better opportunity for the ball to go in. And what I came to find is that as the angle of release increases, the velocity vector, when the velocity vector is split according to the angle, the x component of velocity is smaller as the angle increases. Therefore, as the ball moves through the air, when it's released at a greater angle, the ball moves slower horizontally. Therefore, it has more time within the area of the rim. It spends more time within the area of the rim, which increases the opportunity for the ball to go in. And that's what I came to find. So that sums up my project. Thank you for listening.